Here comes the boom, here comes the boom, here comes the boom, here comes the boom, here comes the boom.
Yeah, what's good, Boom Crew? Today is July 4th, and hold on, look at the cat. She's so beautiful. Say hi. Say hi, baby. Oh, you don't want to say hi today, huh? Anyway, me and my son are going to a movie. The movie starts at 3:45. I don't know if I just said that or not. I'm getting old. So yeah, I should wear this one. Over there struggling with the other one. Yeah, then afterwards he's going to his father, and then I don't know what I'm doing after that, but I just want to be safe today because it's the 4th of July. And y'all know how the motherfucking hood acts on the 4th of July. Mr. Anti-Social. Ugly. Desire, say hi.
What up?
Why do you always have to put your hand in the camera? Just say hi.
You recorded me. Without my permission.
He's making a big deal, like. Look at my gray hair. I need to detox. The whites of my eyes are not so white. We're gonna go see Annabelle. I'm scared. You scared? I'm scared. I'm trying to know about these. Minutes. Could I have nachos with cheese? And then 2 more drinks?
Is that all?
You don't want popcorn? Do I want nachos? I'll take nachos too. Another order
So
nacho.
2 nachos?
Yeah. A large? I don't know nothing about that.
Cash or card?
Card.
You just swipe when you're ready.
Where my money goes? Oh, I gave it to you.
Thank you.
No, insert.
What do you want?
Wait. Stop doing it. I don't know what I want. I have to see. This boy did not want a beverage, right? So I get him a cup for a beverage. You said, you think he denied it?
Was I supposed to deny it? Can I have the top one?
Oh, sorry.
Sorry, thank you. Was I supposed to deny it?
You wanted a beverage.
That is disgusting.
What?
Black chair.
If you got a Sprite, I'm gonna slap taste out of your mouth.
You said what?
If you got a Sprite, I'm gonna slap taste out of your mouth.
Wow.
Because why would you come to the movie theater with all these flavors and get a Sprite?
Give me mine.
Wow.
That's like asking, why would you go to a restaurant and get a Sprite?
No, because
yes, it is.
all of the restaurants don't have peach and cherry and all that extra special shit.
All right, but they have different.
Can y'all answer below?
Give me mine.
Would you go to a place who has all these fantastic flavors and get you a basic ass Sprite? You got a straw? No. I'm done.
Ready?
Yeah.
Fire.
Hey!
That was jumping jack. That was firecracker. Hope I ain't like that bush on fire.
How you don't know the difference? Those niggas was out. On my block, niggas don't give a fuck about the fire department right there. Them niggas is
Wolfpack supercharged lady finger. Oh, this is something different right here.
Nigga run mad fast. This is so loud. I hate firecrackers.
Yeah, get your juice, man. The dude's on the roof.
Yeah, take this. You crazy.
That scared me.
It scared me too.
Not scared me at all. Your pussy. Done?
No, nothing else.
Only turkey and cheese and mayonnaise.
Yeah.
Turkey and cheese? Turkey cheese lettuce.
No lettuce. No lettuce.
No lettuce.
Just mayo. Yeah.
Cold.
Cold, please. Yes. Babe, I gotta get a sandwich. I'm moving.
That's what.
Hey, you wouldn't do it over here by me. Is it up? Why they start running? Does it pop? Put this in there.
Oh, man, boy, you fucking up my throat. Yeah. You're going to be in the house with a real cup.
You want to go get the real cup if she in there?
I want to take a video about it. Okay. Oh, shoot.
Get somewhere. Jesus.
Only one? Let me go.
Yeah.
I thought it was a wrong place.
Oh. Damn! How many's in there? How many's in there? No more.
It's too windy over here.
Is it gonna blow?
No. It's just a sparkler.
You know, it's the first time I'm holding a firecracker.
It's not a firecracker, it's a sparkler.
Babe, it's the same thing.
Oh yeah, I was right. I see you.
So when does it stop?
When they get to the bottom.
By my finger?
Nah, by
Oh.
Wait, do one of those things. Again?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Yeah, hold it.
It's gonna go down all the way to her finger.
That's it. You see?
I don't want to get it.
Where do I point it?
Into the sky. Point into the sky. Look at shit. Goop head. Yeah, that's it.
Oh my god. I fucking hate it.